everybody, welcome back. So my name is Talisha. This is
Gregory.
Hey now. All right, so Gregory and I are doing an egg experiment today.
Yeah.
So I've been wondering, I've always seen these experiments done with either a white egg and with clear vinegar. So today we are going to try out something that we've got a brown egg and we've got, this is called apple cider vinegar. So we are going to try to turn this brown egg into a rubber egg.
What?
I know. Do you think we can do it?
I think so.
I don't know. My hypothesis, do you know what a hypothesis is? My educated guess is that I think we're going to be able to turn this into a rubber egg. I've done it with a white egg, but never with this one. But I feel like, does it matter what color the outside is, if it's white or brown? No, it doesn't matter. The inside is still the same. All right, so we're gonna give it a try. Okay, Gregory, here we go. This is not a boiled egg, so when you put it in that cup, please be careful. I don't want egg everywhere, okay? All right, so first we're gonna take the cup, put the cup here, put the egg inside. Excellent. And we're going to pour some apple cider vinegar, which happens to be a different shade, but that is fine. Okay, Gregory, you do the honors. Pour it in. We're not really measuring it. We're just covering the whole egg up. Perfect. So, our hypothesis is that this is going to work. Now, I've left the egg overnight before and seen the difference. As you can see, I'm going to put it nice and close. You can see the bubbles are already, the acid's already taken over this egg. You see those little bubbles forming on there? Pretty cool, right? You see it, Gregory? Yeah, that's awesome. Ooh, the smell is a little strong. So, Gregory, I know a way to speed up chemical reactions. I learned that when you take something hot, like if you add like fire or you warm it up, it could speed up the chemical reaction. So over here, I have a boiler, which I have on. It's coming out, the steam is making hot water. So kids, you shouldn't do this by yourself because you will hurt yourself. So make sure you have a grown-up to help. Right, Gregory?
Yeah.
Okay. So Gregory, you keep an eye on that egg. Tell me if you notice anything change.
Oh,
What-
see it. It's turning brown already.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is take my steaming hot water all by myself with no help from Gregory because I want him to stay safe. I'm gonna pour this hot water into my measuring cup. No tricks here. And then, so let's put this back over here. Gregory, we're gonna take this egg and we're gonna see if we can speed up the chemical reaction. Are you ready? Okay. Let's take the egg. I'm gonna gently place it inside of the cup
Oh man.
and see if it makes a difference. It looks like it's floating.
Wow.
Can you see a difference there?
A little.
Do you see more bubbles?
Yeah, a lot of bubble.
So Gregory, if you notice it looks like it's getting bigger, doesn't it? Is it like cooking or swelling? I don't know. So Gregory, I think that the steam is escaping. So I have an idea. I've got some foil here. I'm actually gonna cover the top of it and see if we can really get all of that steam to stay inside and see if that really speeds up the process.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you all think? What are your hypotheses? Do you think that we're going to see a change in this egg? How long should we leave it in there for? I don't know. I'm definitely seeing some changes here. I can see that the egg is really.
It's really. Oh my goodness! It's
Do you
turning
think-
a little bit white. A lighter.
Think it's getting lighter?
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm noticing that there are more bubbles covering the egg.
A lot.
Yeah, a lot of bubbles are covering it. What do you think the bubbles are doing to the egg?
Maybe making it rubber when it gets off.
Yeah, maybe changing the texture or the form of it. Yeah. Who knows? I can definitely smell it. It seems like it's like
Very powerful.
a very powerful smell. I agree. It's a very powerful smell going on there. I'm gonna take it out. Let's just see if anything like. What do you think? Does it? What do you all think? Put it back in some more?
It's getting so big.
I don't know. Is it getting big or is it the reflection? I'm not sure.
I think
Okay, we're gonna put it back in. Let's see what's going on here.
that's so big.
Now I have no idea how long this really will take. So I don't know if we should take a pause and come back. If we should just sit and see how long it takes us. What do you think? You want to wait it out?
If you want.
Let's wait it out. Changing. If you look really, really closely, you can see the bubbles are kind of waving off of the egg.
Yeah.
Can you see that?
And look, it's making it into rubber. Whoa. That's a
There is
lot.
definitely a chemical reaction happening in there.
Whoa.
If you look at the
So many bubbles.
you can see the color coming off a little bit. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, let's put it back.
It's like
This is awesome, Gregory. I've never done this before. I'm so glad I got to do it with you. I gotta say, I think that the egg is expanding
Yeah.
because when we first put it in there, it was completely covered by the vinegar.
Yeah.
But right now, it's almost not. If you look at the top, you can see that it's kind of coming out.
Yeah.
So let's put it back in.
It's like getting it very more faster, right?
Yeah, I think the hot water is definitely speeding up the process.
Yeah, so it's getting it down to like something minutes.
So when I did this with the white egg, I actually put it in there and I kept it overnight. And it took a while. So we're just wondering what is gonna happen. Wow, look at that.
Oh, that's crazy.
It's like it's breaking down the egg.
Yeah.
The acids are really,
Like speeding up.
yeah, it's really breaking down the egg. It's fascinating, don't you think? Gregory,
What?
I have a question for you.
What?
What are you gonna do with this rubber egg when we're done?
Maybe we should hatch it?
What? You can't hatch a rubber egg. Can you hatch a rubber egg?
Maybe you can break the thing and see what's inside now.
Actually, that's a good idea. We should do that.
Yeah.
Part 2 of our experiment. Brilliant minds. Oh yeah.
Whoa. Look at it coming off.
Okay, Gregory, so we're gonna get a pen and paper and write down some questions while our egg is still cooking.
Okay.
So let's write down some questions and see if we can answer them by the time we're done with our experiment.
Okay.
All right? Excellent. Okay. Excellent. You got it? Excellent. Okay. I thought it was funny. Okay, so question. Let's see. What will it feel like? What will the egg feel like? What do you think, Gregory?
Rubber.
think it's gonna be?
Because it's gonna be a rubber
Well,
egg.
say more about rubber. Give me some more descriptive words. Will it be hard, soft, squishy? What do you-
Squishy.
Squishy. Okay.
Like a rubber squishy.
So we think it's gonna be squishy. You did like this. Do you think it's gonna be stretchy?
Yeah, only on the outside. I think it's gonna be stretchy.
Okay. Let's see. Do you think the color will come off?
Maybe.
Let's write that down. Do you think? What else? We need another question.
How about how long it's gonna take?
We could do, well, we have the timer going. So let's think, what else? How about will it get bigger?
Oh,
Do you think it'll get bigger?
yes.
Okay.
Get bigger. It already get bigger.
You think so?
It already got bigger.
Well, I think it's weird because I think the water is making it look bigger, maybe. But we can
Maybe.
find out. We'll find
Yeah.
out. Let's just write it down.
Yeah, just maybe.
Okay, so questions for you guys. What do you think the egg will feel like? We got stretchy, squishy. Do you think the color will come off the egg? And will the egg get bigger? Stay tuned. Let's find out.
But it go down. Why it's going down?
I don't know. If you notice, it's floating.
Oh, it's burning.
Now, Gregory, normally, if we made a boiled egg, we would know that it's done because it floats to the top. But this egg is doing something a little bit different. It keeps kind of floating to the top, and then it goes back down to the bottom. So,
Maybe it's done.
I don't know. Maybe almost done because it goes to the top and then it goes back to the bottom. So let's see if it stays at the top this time. There's something amazing happening in there because it is turning around.
Is it done yet?
Let's take a look.
Whoa, it's spinning.
Spinning again.
It's almost going to the top.
All right, Gregory. I think we should give it a try. Let's check out this experiment. See what happened, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. It's very hot, so I'm gonna take it out.
Ooh.
Wow, I'll tell you what, the cup is kind of deformed. You can see like there's some fuzz at the top here. Definitely some color. So the egg has changed quite a bit.
So it's taking that brown off into
Maybe.
a white egg, maybe.
We'll see.
Do you want to
It
take it
still
out?
feels kind of hard from here.
But you want to take it out yet? You want to do
I'm gonna get a fork and we're gonna try it, okay? We'll tap it and see. All right, Gregory, so I got a spoon. We tapped it. It seems like it's still hard.
Whoa.
I don't
It's
know.
very light color.
It definitely did get lighter. So the color changed, and but the egg is still hard. So that question you had about how long is a good question because I don't know. How long are we willing to leave it in here and see what happens? You want to try to leave it in overnight and see what happens?
Yeah, and maybe when it's nighttime we can go and check in on it.
Okay, we can do that. Goodness, welcome back everybody. Okay, so we are here. We have not waited 24 hours. Gregory, we have waited about 4 hours. And we went back and checked on it. And so now we get to answer our questions. We're pulling it out of the water. You you are watching us do this for the first time, you can tell the water is very hot because the cup is all mixed up. All right, Greggy. So our first question was, is it going to be hard or squishy or bouncy? Like, I don't know. You want to give it a try? Should we take it all the way out, or what do you want to do?
Let's take it all the
Let's
way
take
out.
it all the way out.
Whoa, it changed color.
Oh, that was one of our questions. Will the color come off?
And it's squishy.
It is squishy. Ugh, it feels kind of...
Ah.
Don't push it too much. We don't want to make it bad. Will it bounce? Oh, look.
Oh, yeah. It's
Oh,
like a
that is
rubber
super
ball.
cool. That is super cool.
Oh, it's
And
a
it
little
looks-
bit wobbly.
Yeah, and it looks like the color actually does come off. Yeah.
That's so cool.
That is very cool. All right, Gregory, I feel like the experiment is not complete until we should we find out what's on the inside? You did have that question.
Yes.
I'm nervous. Sure. Wait. I'm nervous. Wait. Let's put it in the cup just in case. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Go over the cup. Okay. Go for it. Can you break it?
Wait.
Wait. Hey, we can't break it. Ah! That was pretty gross. Ew. Oh wow. The fun part about experiments is you get to learn something new. It's kind of slimy and ew, it doesn't feel good at all.
Ew.
Snack anyone? Gross. All right, Gregory. Well, that's our show. That was awesome. We got to try something new. Now we got to go clean up. Should we save this for breakfast?
No.
No, ew. Bye, everybody. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.